Good morning, guys. Wow, I look rough. I feel rough. If you watched my vlog from the other day, I wish I was a better cook. I don't know how to cook at all. I know how to make eggs. This is the day after. I have a workout in 10 minutes. I need to take my pre-workout before I go to my workout, which is basically the only way I survive through a workout is with pre-workout. So pre-workout, if you don't know, is like a drink that gives you like a boost of energy. You're supposed to drink it about a half an hour before you work out. It's 10 minutes, so I'm already behind. This day is starting off wonderful. If you don't know, I'm going to Paris tomorrow for my friend's wedding that I'm completely unprepared for. Dinner with Makeup Forever tonight, and then just a whole bunch of stuff in between. So pre-workout, let's do it. I am moving so slow today, you guys. Probably my least favorite thing about working out. Every single time I work out, it ruins my hair. So I always have to do my hair over, which is fine because my hair doesn't look that great. So it's fine. But just in general, it's a little bit of annoying. A little bit of annoying. Can I just make it through today? If I just make it through today, I will be so happy.
1 hour later.
Success. I can barely talk, but I did it. I feel like a little energized, sort of. I think, you know what, I'm just happy I got it out of the way and I can just go on my day. Do you guys like my palm tree inside my house? It makes me feel like I'm outside, even though I'm inside. I'm literally off again. I have completely stopped tanning outside, you guys. Like, I cannot sit in the sun anymore. Just the thought of sitting in the sun and burning my skin so I could be tan just seems so crazy to me. Even though I used to do it all the time and I would sit outside, I would lay out for hours just so I could be like gold and bronze. Now, to me, the thought of doing that, just like, I can't do it. I can't. My skin is just like way too sensitive. I love getting spray tans. If I don't get spray tans, I will be super pale. Even though I live in LA, even though I'm Egyptian, you can get amazing spray tans that look so natural and you don't have to worry about destroying your skin. And you can look young forever, which is always my goal. Look at that tan, you guys. You guys see it? Can you see how dark I am? And it's only gonna get darker. Guess where I am, guys? I am in my beauty room. This is where I actually film my tutorials. I've got a softbox here, a softbox, a ring light, my camera, monitor, mirror, another softbox. I have all my makeup over here. Everything is laid out by brand. I'm still in the process of organizing all of this since I've moved. So many brushes that need to be cleaned. PR boxes, new product, more makeup brands here in all of these drawers. I use blackout curtains so that there's no light coming through to cover the window. This is literally what it looks like after I film. This is all you're seeing on the screen. Hello, but down here, too much. The makeup is all done. I just finished filming. Look at that wing, you guys. I love it. I kind of want to quickly tell you guys something that I've been working on. I already mentioned in my other vlog. It's this new series called Love and Lipstick, and I wanted you guys to guess what the series was about. There is an episode of Love and Lipstick that is all about how to start a YouTube channel if you want to be a beauty influencer. If this goes up before Love and Lipstick, stay tuned for that really fun episode if you want to know how to become a beauty influencer and start a channel and all that. In case you're wondering, this is what my station looks like. This is the aftermath of a makeup tutorial. I have my dinner with Makeup Forever tonight, so my makeup is all done. And I'm so excited because Angie, who you guys might have seen already in my videos or you will see soon, coming with me because Makeup Forever invited her as well. So it's gonna be so much fun, you guys, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me too. Oh my god, I love this lip color. It's so pretty. And my lashes, I like love this makeup. Like staring at myself. Guess who I just picked up? Your fave. Look, doesn't she look so beautiful in red? Aww. Good thing I didn't wear red, then we would have been twins.
You look really good in red and orange.
I don't want to wear orange. Okay.
Oh my god, my boobs.
We're going to this restaurant. Wait, and you gotta come down or I gotta come up? Or
the phone is too high. No, that's bad.
Well, I'm trying to... Look.
Yeah, right there.
Okay. So we're going to this, here, oh, come on. Oh my God. We're going to this restaurant called Open Air. And we're meeting with Mika forever, like I told you guys. And she gets grumpy very easy. She's like 90% of the time hangry.
You are so bad too. If you don't eat, you're like, this is Eman's face when she doesn't eat.
That's completely not true, you guys. I don't get hangry. No one's ever in my life told me that I get hangry.
Tenny does for sure.
We all know Tenny does. That's a totally different story, but I don't.